When I was like just a little kid, my favorite fable was the one about that turtle and that bunny. You know the one? About that, race that they had? Let's listen to it.
The Turtle and the Bunny. The turtle spent one afternoon visiting the bunny. That afternoon, they both learned something funny. The bunny said to the turtle, "Let's race to the lake, on the 2 bikes I borrowed from my good friend the snake." The challenge sounded fun, so the turtle agreed, and they took off for the bikes, both at top speed. The bunny hopped quickly to the bike of his choosing, so shiny and red there was no way he was losing. The turtle was slower, so he heard the snake's cries, "The red one's not for racing, it's just for exercise." When the turtle finally made it to the less shiny one, the bunny called, "Go!" and the race had begun. That energetic bunny was sweatin' and pushin', while the turtle was noticing his seat's comfy cushion. That bunny he pedaled as hard as he could. Since his bike wouldn't move, it did him no good. The turtle, he pedaled at a nice, easy pace, and moving slowly but surely, he won the big race. So no matter how shiny or how hard you pedal, if your bike doesn't move, you won't win the medal. The end.
Oh my gosh, I totally love that story. All the pedaling in the world wasn't going to help the bunny. It totally gives new meaning to the saying, working hard or hardly working, right? Totally.